Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. In this lecture, now what we are going to discuss about the digitization and working with editing tools in ArcGIS. So this is very important exercise because most of the time when we are bringing all our raster, scanned informations, we are in position to, create different features with respect to our interest of research. So this tool normally every time all the students or research scholars are using, and many of us knows, but few tricks that how we have to do with the digitization. This is good for all the people those who are working in or experienced with the digitization. And in this exercise, the digitization is the process of changing from analog to digital form, also known as digital enablement. Now we are using the editor tool. There are three steps involved in. One is adding the raster image. The second one is creating feature class and digitize the information from raster image. And third step is cut polygon, reshape feature and edit vertex. And so these three features now we are going to do it. Now already raster image we know how to add, and then how to create feature class and GDB, we have the separate exercise. Once if you add the image, open the window, add the image. We are now adding the image of topo sheet. To look at that different features, we will take a small area for this exercise to digitize and creating cut polygon or reshaping the polygon. And this is the coastal zones of Thuthukudi, near Thuthukudi region. And you have different features like water body and sand pit and sea area. And this area we will take, and then we will start digitizing this. And we have already created a geodatabase, and we have already created a different features feature class. We will take the geomorphology layer, then we will start doing editing on this. Open the attribute table and look at the attribute table, nothing is there. Once if you start digitize, everything will come, all the features, and it's all the other attribute information. As we know that in GIS, once if you start doing any work, automatically 4 files will create. .shx, .shp and .dbf and .mbv file. And now open the editor tool, right click, make editor tool open, and then bring it to the top of it, and then start editing. Unless if you are not giving this, you cannot digitize. Once if you start giving start editing, automatically it will take few seconds for now you see the create feature has come at the right side. And you have to now start doing your exercise. Now unpin that and then go to start edit, save edit. Finally you have to do save edit and stop edit. And now we are going to do the digitization process and create feature by clicking this, right, create feature, right, and you have to work with geomorphology. In the construction tool, we have to take polygon feature. So I have taken a polygon feature and I'm just digitizing. What you have to do, you have to zoom it to the maximum level and digitize perfectly. This is for the practical purpose. I am just showing you how to digitize a water body. Now a polygon has come. Look at that polygon we have digitized. And you can also check with open attribute table. You have one feature now, right? The one feature, no information is added. Now slowly you can add upon this information. This is the backbone of GIS, that how you are going to develop the attribute table. It means how you are going to give number of information in the attribute table. With that, your GIS ability will increase, right? So think that as a map analyzing person, that you have to, give the location name, tank name, area, perimeter, everything. Yes, whatever the information you have, you just give it, and finally you can do all the analysis with your GIS. And now open attribute table and you have checked, and then object one is you can also even delete, and then you can redo it. This is one way. So polygon, you can also take a rectangle and prepare. If I am taking a rectangle of this small area, so 90 degree, 90 degree, if you take, automatically you will get a square shape. And now polygon is created, like square shape polygon. And why I am taking square shape here, we are now going to do cut polygon and reshape polygon and vertex assessment. How we are going to do with the vertex movement too. So for that reason, this polygon is selected, a polygon is created. Now after creating a polygon, so this is again created, you just do undo, and now take I mean make it hollow, so that it will be easy for us to do cut polygon. Now the polygon square shape is created. Now uncheck the map and then recheck again that your polygon is there. Now we will do, the first two part is over. We will do cut polygon. I mean step 3. We have done raster image adding and creating feature class. And digitize also we have done polygon, and we will do now cut polygon and reshape polygon and edit vertex. So you have to select before I mean going for cut polygon, you have to select, it will change the color, whatever the object you are now going to work with into blue color. Select cut polygon, and now you do the cut polygon. Always you have to take I mean your starting point from the outside of the edge, and then finish also with the outside of the edge. Then only this will become a polygon, cut polygon. Otherwise it will not complete. If you want to complete your cut polygon, you have to do it like this. Now you take it from outside, automatically once if it is complete, the outside line will go. You don't need to bother, because now you are working with only polygon. Whatever you digitize, yeah, you have to finish with the outside. That is very important. Double click, you see automatically the both sides have gone. Now open the attribute table and check, two attributes will come. Otherwise you also can check with by selecting the cut polygon zones. Now you see you have two rows of information. The polygon is cut into two parts of two different features. This is how we do cut polygon, and we also can reshape, we also can work with vertices or vertex. We will do some more cut polygon of the water body. Again select cut polygon, and you take it from the bottom portions. You see I am now take it from the bottom portions, and I am now digitizing roughly. But if you want the correct I mean digitization, zoom it to the maximum level and run through the center part of the line. So that is very important. This will come by the experience. Continuously, if you have experience, then this will come. Yes. Once if the digitization is over with respect to different environments, and I mean different features, everything, cut polygon, you can create number of like this. You have to do always digitization. We will do like this. First we will create the boundary, and then we will start doing the inside. Otherwise what will happen, Inside you cannot do and then extend to the outside. This is the way that how we have to do with the digitization in GIS. So now I am digitizing the bottom object, I mean dense scrub, fairly dense scrub area. Uh, and yes, this is water body and this is also water body area. I mean it is a backwater region. Now take it from the outside and then only your polygon will cut into two zones. Now the polygon is cut and then yes, now the polygon is cut, but in between the water body, even if you want, you can cut and then remove it. So I'm digitizing dry motorable dry season. It is Talukangulam regions. From the topo sheet. I'm just roughly doing. You should not do it like this. You have to do it to zoom it to the maximum level and do it. Yes, now we have different features. You select every feature, you will get the information. Look at that. This is the output of digitization. Now we will do reshaping feature. Cut polygon is over. We will reshape the feature. I am just taking it out and then I am reshaping the feature now. I am selecting the feature. Now you see that it is shifted. Digitized lines are shifted. I can do reshaping by selecting a tool and then you start select the feature and take the reshape and digitize exactly like this in the center of the line, and then bring it and close it outside. Now this edit, now that is added. This you just select and you just merge with the new one. Save edit, stop edit, select this line. Yeah, the upper line is one and then select the bottom line. And in this bottom line, you have to merge this with the top line. This line is the new line which is not needed. Upper line is the correct line. So now edit vertices. So I have to edit the vertices to match with the old one. Just double click over this, edit vertices you take. Now vertices are enabled. This is vertices. You move the vertices wherever you want to fix with. Now edit vertices, drag and keep it with the new line. And you see this is vertices tools. You can use these tools. If you keep on the top of it, automatically you can create number of vertices in between and then shift it to the newly digitized line. That is how we do. Yes. Now, if you want to remove also, you can remove by taking vertices minus, vertices plus. It means adding vertices. And you can also know that, run through. You see, you take this and then edit vertices. And then if you just take these vertices and snap to feature, if you can do, otherwise you do undo this. Minus. So I minus everything and then this will delete. Right, it is deleted. Double click. I have to match with the new line. Exactly. So I am creating vertices and moving the vertices to the you can also run through like this by snipping the tool so that it will automatically drag into a new line. So you see, you have now bringing everything together, reshaping and moving the vertices. Save edit, stop edit. Now you check your this you can change if you started it. You can move the vertices wherever you want. You can add the vertices in case if you want to. Yes. Now you just see, you can bring down. So this is vertex edit. Mostly we do that when wherever small error is there. Even you can also do with topology correction. But if you have double line or overlapping undershooting there, topology will help to reduce the error, or it will fix the error to reduce. You have to run the topology after digitization. Now you trace by taking the old line into a new line. This will move. Trace into a new line, the old line will move and then bring it to the new line. Yes. So this is how we do this exercise of creating a polygon, cut polygon, creating a polygon, creating a cut polygon, creating a reshaping the polygon and cut polygon. So with this, the current discussion on digitization and working with editing tool is come to an end. Thank you very much.